everyone, I am Germ Eliminating Rinsing Machine. Viruses like Bob over there get on our surfaces. Come on everyone, party on the table. Humans cannot clean tables efficiently. Every table cannot be cleaned as equal to the next. Cleaning a table perfectly is essential during a pandemic. The CDC has recommended cleaning dining or healthcare surfaces after each use. Quiet, Germ.
Germ automates the process of cleaning circular and rectangular tables. Our rinse cycle is about 3 minutes long. Here are some highlights on a circular table. It has telescoping arms that change length with table size. The arms stay retracted when Germ isn't operating for dining space and portability. Germ sprays a cleaning solution using the TI water pump around the table and spreads it out with a microfiber cloth.
Germ uses 3 TI servo motors, 2 of which operate the telescoping arms, and 1 which rotates the arms around a rectangular or circular table. We have a gear reduction system to allow the bottom servo motor to spin the arms. We wired 4 AA batteries to power the servo motors. We powered the pump with a MOSFET and the same batteries.
For rectangular tables, the coding process is more complicated. After each predetermined step in the rotation, the program remembers how long it has been turning and uses that to calculate the angle it has rotated relative to the longer of bottom. This angle, paired with the length and width of the table, gives us enough information to use trigonometry to calculate how long the arm is and how much it needs to extend or retract.
Germ doubles as a centerpiece as well as an education tool. It features information about the different components and how they operate.
Let's save lives.
Learn about STEM.
Have a nice centerpiece.
And kill some viruses. Bye everyone.